Adele Karnstein, the hour has arrived. Be strong and have faith. Our Lord will save you if you are innocent.
There she is, the witch. God protect us from her evil. Where are her daughters? Where are those spawn of the devil? The young one lives in the castle. The eldest hasn't been seen for many weeks.
Kurt, did you give the order to have the eldest daughter of the witch brought here?
Yes, my lord, but she cannot be found. The search has been impeded by the fact that no one knows anything about her.
She has to be tried by divine justice. Like her mother, she is also suspected of being a witch. Grimalda, bring the youngest. Kurt, intensify the search. I want that girl here at the castle today.